Welcome back. CBI will question Goa Governor B V Wanchoo and Bengal Governor M.K. Narayanan in connection with the Augusta Westland VVIP helicopter scam in the next few days. The questioning will happen by the end of this month. CBI Director Ranjit Sinha has for the first time confirmed this with the media in Delhi. Sinha said CBI is questioning the governors as witnesses and it does not need any permission from the government. Meanwhile, the Governor B V Wanchoo has left for Delhi on Friday.
Goa Governor B V Wanchoo, as the then Chief of Special Protection Group, was a part of the committee which decided on the purchase of Augusta Westland VVIP choppers. It's confirmed that they will be probed in the case, though as witnesses. CBI Director Ranjit Sinha has told Economic Times that the investigating agency has already prepared a questionnaire for both the governors B V Wanchoo and M.K. Narayanan and would send a team of its officials to quiz them. He said the investigating agency in the Augusta Westland scam cannot be stalled any further. The questioning will happen by the end of this month. Sinha said CBI is questioning the governors as witnesses and it does not need any permission from the government. CBI has sought time from the governors. Governor Wanchoo and Narayanan were appointed by the Congress-led UPA government. If these two governors resign, then they will no longer enjoy any kind of constitutional immunity and will make it easy for the CBI to probe. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Hospicio Hospital in Margao has ambulances but no drivers. Patients during emergency have to hire private vehicles to shift the patient to the GMC or any other hospital. Hospicio has 5 ambulances, but the main district hospital is facing shortage of drivers, especially during the night hours. Relatives of the patients complain of negligence by the hospital staff.
Have a look at this scene. There were 2 ambulances parked outside the hospital. Both are idle. This is the Hospicio Hospital in Margao, the main district hospital. There are no drivers for these vehicles. There was 108 ambulance parked at the Margao Urban Health Center, but the ambulance was unavailable as it was attending another patient. This patient was critically ill and was asked to be shifted to GMC on emergency basis. But to utter shock of the relatives, there was no driver available at the Hospicio. 2 ambulances were available but without any driver.
kidney stone problem. Right kidney
State of affairs in Hospicio Hospital in Margao during the night hours. Reporter Savio Dias for Prudent.
Parents of students from Royal High School in Taligaon have demanded shifting their wards to another school. They claim not just 3 or 4 students but almost all the 40 students get ill treatment in the school. Headmistress Maria Zita Afonso is alleged of ill-treating the students. Nodal Officer of Education Department summoned 3 parents to record their statements on Friday. Nodal Officer of Education Department Shailej Jingde summoned 3 parents to Education Department on Friday. 5 parents went to the Education Department and recorded their statements. They are demanding justice and admission to their wards in another school.
काल आमकां फोन आयले की एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान तुमी येवन मातशे तुमचे स्टेटमेंट दिया. आज आमी स्टेटमेंट दिलो की आमच्या भुरग्यांक कशा पद्धतीन थंयसर त्रास जाता ते. माझ्या भुरग्याचो तर तेणी म्हटले फक्त तुज्या भुरग्याचो. हांवें माझ्या भुरग्याचो तेका फूल टोटल स्टेटमेंट दिलो. तेणे एब्युजिंग करता प्रिंसिपल, त्याच्या नंतर ती तेका सगळ्या पेरेंट्सा समोर म्हणटा की यू आर द बिगस्ट साडयार रे. ह्या हांवें सगळ्यां स्टेटमेंटान दिले. पण म्हाका तरी अशें दिसून येता की आमकां 3च पेरेंट्सांक कित्या खातीर आपयले. जर का तेका आमच्या सगळ्याचो प्रॉब्लेम जाणून घेवपाचो आशिल्लो जाल्यार तो आमकां सगळ्या पेरेंट्सांक आपोवपाचें. आज तेणें फक्त 3 पेरेंट्सांक आपयले. 3 पेरेंट्सांतल्यान फक्त आमी गेल्ली म्हणून 3 पेरेंट्सांक आपयले. आज तेणें आमच्या वांगडा 4-5 पेरेंट्स आनी गेला. त्याच पेरेंट्साचे स्टेटमेंट जाणून घेतले. आमी OSD कडेन ह्या खातीर गेल्ली की आमकां एकट्याक किंवा 2-3 जाणांकच एडमिशन जाय अशें न्ही. आमी 40 पेरेंट्साच्या वतीन आमी उलयताली. सो आमकां 40 भुरग्यांक दुसऱ्या स्कुलान शिफ्ट करपाची क्षमता आसा जाल्यार तेणी करचें.
Parents are furious as no action has been initiated against the headmistress despite several complaints.
एकट्याक लागून एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट जावं खंयचेय 100 जाणांक त्रास करूंक रेडी आहा पूण एकट्याक दुखोवपाक रेडी ना. पूण हांव लास्ट इतकेंच मागतां की 100 जाणां त्रास करचे पेक्षा ते एकट्याचेरच एक्शन घेवचें मारिया जिता आफान्सो हेचेर आनी ताका दाखोवचें की स्कुलाचे रुल्स कशे आसूंक जाय ते.
2009च्यान एज्युकेशनान कंप्लेनी आसा आनी त्यो अंडर RTI आमी काडल्यो. 2009 कंप्लेना, 2012 कंप्लेना, 2013 कंप्लेना आनी ही 2014 सगळे पेरंट्स मेळून ही जी कंप्लेंट जे सगळे एकठांय जावन केले. त्यान पयलीं तिचेर कंप्लेंट आसतना डिपार्टमेंटान तेंचेर एकूय कंप्लेनींक कितें एक्शन घेवना.
Parents allege that headmistress of Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso, abuses and ill-treats the students. Hearing on the cancellation of anticipatory bail to the headmistress Afonso has been scheduled before the Children's Court on Monday. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.